I am Dr. Kali Rajan from JSS College of Pharmacy, the scientific convener for this Pharma Nest event organized by Open Pharmacy Federation. So we welcome Dr. Muhammad Salaluddin, Principal Farukia College of Pharmacy, Mysuru, Dr. Veer Vikram, Professor, Lala Lajpati Rai College of Pharmacy, Punjab, and Dr. N. Paramakrishnan, JSS College of Pharmacy, Mysuru. So we welcome you all. So over to Vallika. Vallika is there?
Yes, Ines 416, you can continue.
Ma'am, there is one request that can you please maximize the screen when I'm explaining the portion?
Okay, I'll scroll while you're
From
explaining.
left to right? Yes, from left to right.
Yeah, please turn on your webcam.
Yes. Sorry for not able to join at the given period of time. Okay. Kaveri Ahead, postgraduate students of the Quality Assurance Technique Department from the Dr. Institute of Pharmaceutical Research. Formulation and evaluation of laxative oral granules of a circular gum is the is my research presentation topic, which I completed under the guidance of Dr. Sophie Chitnakis, developed by IPS. My presentation.
Kaveri, your voice is dropping.
Hello, am I audible, sir?
Voice is breaking, Kaveri.
Your voice is breaking.
Hello.
Can you once again start?
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, that is the best.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
Yes, yes. With this loud, you try to speak always.
Okay, sir. Okay. The reason behind selection of this research topic is that heavy meal spices, consumption of meat, fish develops the constipation. Also develop by accumulating the hard stool in the lumen, which obstruct the acid inside the stomach. So that overall this formulation help by providing the help by absorbing the water from the intestine. With the bulk and the like a stool. Uh,
Kaveri, again your voice is breaking.
just a minute. Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah. Now you're audible.
Okay. Can I start again?
Yeah. Better you can start again.
Okay. Uh, Formulation and evaluation of laxative oral granules of circular gum is my research presentation topic. The reason behind selection of this topic is that the heavy meal, spices, excess consumption of meat, beef, which develops the constipation by accumulation of the hard stool in the lumen, which obstructs the acidity inside the stomach. So to overcome this problem, this formulation help by absorbing the water from the intestine and create a bulk and the liquid like a stool, so that it provides the relief from the constipation. There is another reason for this research project is the heat stroke. Heat stroke causes because of the reduction of the water concentration in the body. So to avoid this problem, 1% of this formulation help to maintain the water inside the body for a longer period of time. Another reason is the fasting. During fasting period, the water concentration in the body reduces, so that it creates the irritation inside the body and also develop the acidic environment inside the body. So to avoid this problem, this formulation helps by retaining the water inside the body for a longer period of time, so that it takes away the discomfortness which is created by the fasting. There is another reason for this research is that there are some regions in the globe which under the 40 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. At that region, water percentage is very low. So during at in that region, this formulation help by retaining the water inside the body for a longer period of time and making the body hydrated for a whole day. Ma'am, can you please maximize the left side, upper left side part? Yes, part. Laxity oral granules. Picture of the granules. Upper part. Left. Yes, this. This is the finished product granules of the circular gum. The major constituent of circular gum is the circular gum, which is a major ingredient, circular gum having its own property of it shows it absorbs 60 times its own volume of water. So it is a bulk forming agent. So it is called as a bulk laxative, and it also adjusts the fecal consistency. Circular gum is also used as a act as a water retention agent, debulant, appetite controller. The another property of circular gum is that it consists the not less than 14% of volatile acid, as it consists a higher concentration of uranic acid. So, with a pH range of 4.3 to 4.7, so we cannot administer circular gum as it is, because it creates the irritation in our esophageal region and creates the acidic environment inside the body. So, we need to add the alkali into it. So we added the magnesium trisilicate as a alkali, which is commonly act as an antacid and also act as an antioxidant and a gastroesophageal reflux property. Dried magnesium oxide as the osmotic laxative, and the heavy kaolin as an adsorbent and antidiarrheal. By using the heavy kaolin, we can also formulate the another formulation by coating the heavy kaolin to the circular gum. So it will also act as an antidiarrheal drug. Then can ma'am, left side lower part, can you please maximize the manufacturing process? Okay, the manufacturing process of this formulation is that part one, preparation of the dry stercular granules. As the stercular granules is the gum, so it consists the moisture, a high amount of moisture. So we decided to reduce the moisture content from the granules. So we pass these granules from the fluidized bed dryer for the 70 degrees Celsius, so that we can reduce the 30% of the water concentration from that granules. Then we pass that granules through the sieve number of 12 to 16, and again that sieved granules we pass through the FBD, so that another moisture, which is remaining moisture inside the granules, we reduces up to 30%. So we reduces maximum 60% of water from that granules, and again pass it to the 12 mesh size. Then uh, uh, then another then part two is the preparation of the coating powder. In that we pass the magnesium trisilicate, magnesium citrate, heavy kaolin, and the half portion of tal through a sieve of 40 mesh size, and mix in the octagonal blender. Then the part three is the preparation of the coating solution. We prepare the coating solution by using the sucrose solution, Arabic gum solution, chlorophyllene cupric solution, vanillin plus ethanol solution, sunset yellow color solution. Some of these solution is prepared under the 40 degrees Celsius. Then part 4 is that coating of a granules by the 11th, performing the 11 cycles. In that, we load the prepared circular gum granules to the in a pan and pass the 50 degrees Celsius warm air to the granules, and then we coat the granules. When we spray the coating solution with a pan speed of 15 rpm, so that the coating solution is properly coated over the granules. Then we reduces the pan speed up to the 9 to 10 rpm, and then add the coating powder inside it, so that it will uh, coat over the granules in a over the wet granules in a uniform manner. Then we use the neopoter for the coating of the granules. We can see in the picture, there in the picture of four pictures of the steps of the granules. First, circular gum, which is the raw material of the circular gum. Then second picture shows the coating of the granules after the sixth cycle. Third picture shows the coating of the granules after the ninth cycle. And the fourth picture shows the coating of the granules after the 11th cycle. Then complete granules, after coating of the granules, we pass that granules through the drying process for the dryer. We use the plate dryer for the drying of the granules. Then part 4 is the lubrication of the granule. Another half portion of the talc is used for the lubrication of the granules, and we lubricate that granules in the blender octagonal blender machine. Ma'am, then the right side upper granular granular parameters. Ma'am. Okay. Granular parameters, we perform the granulation of the evaluation of the granules by using the bulk density, which shows 0.9 gram per ml, which is a good granule bulk density. Tap density 1 gram per ml. Mass index 10%, which shows the excellent property. Hausmas ratio 1.1, excellent property. Angle of reforce 28 degree, excellent property. Granular fabric 0.9%, which shows the good. It belongs to the limit range of all these parameters. Then we compare this formulation with the marketed formulation for the swelling index property. So our formulation shows the 60 ml per 3 gram. I did not mention the 3 gram here, for that I'm really sorry. Our formulation shows 16 ml per 3 gram, and the marketed formulation shows the 11 ml swelling for per 3 gram. Then, ma'am, pH range, change in pH range. Ma'am, can you please move to the right side? Right side, move to the right side. Upper portion, right side. Change in pH range. Okay, thank you. Finished product shows the change in pH range from 4.3 pH to 6.9 pH, which is acceptable. Then we perform the solubility test. This circular gum shows the soluble in water, swelling, homogeneous, adhesive, gelatinous mass. We can see here in figure 2. Then this finished product formulation shows the total ash of 27.6%, not more than 30%. Volatile acid 40%, not less than 19%. Then the left side in lowers. Okay, Then identification test of circular gum. We can see in figure 3. It shows the appears as a small transparent angular particle of the various size and shapes with the granular mucilage is produced. Then in figure 4, particles are stained red when mounted in a ruthenium red solution. These tests are performed for the identification of the circular gum from the finished product, and then the identification of heavy kaolin from the finished product. In that, in figure 5, we can see the solution is not intensely colored than the solution of the methylene glue. Then the assay of magnesium trisilicate is that 321.25%, which is not less than 90%. And the assay of bright magnesium oxide, which is 875%, not less than 90%. Then the good part of this formulation is that we can do the technology transfer of this formulation. Ma'am, technology transfer from upper portion. Okay. So we can do the technology transfer by batch size of 1 kg as per instrument capacity for the bench scale. For pilot scale, batch capacity of 120 kg as per instrument capacity with 3 batches. And the commercial scale, batch capacity of 240 kg to 480 kg as per the instrument capacity with 7 batches. I performed this all the evaluation parameters and analytical parameters by using the British Pharmacopoeia specification of 2020 with 2020 edition of volume 4 and volume 2nd. The conclusion of from the conclusion that I found from this formulation is that it shows the change in pH in it shows the just me. It shows the change in pH in the intestinal region, reduces the acidity, softens the stool during the constipation problem, show the soothing property to relieve the sore throat, absorb the large volume of water during the diarrhea condition, reduce the dehydration process in the body, use in the lower water percent area, retain the water in the body for a longer period of time, use as a dietary supplement in the fasting, and help in increase the appetite and the digestion process. This complete research project is conducted at the industrial level and the institution level. Industrial level at Sky Biotech Life Sciences Private Limited and Aurangabad, and some other analytical analytical parameters are performed at the DYP IPSR Pimpri Pune. And the circular gum is purchased from the Madhya Pradesh from the Shivam Enterprises. Thank you.
Okay, Kaveri.
Evaluators can start the evaluation.
Yeah, yeah. Kaveri, In which type of patient laxative is compulsory? If patient has not any complication of constipations.
Sir, can
Again, I will repeat. In
hello?
which type of patient is admitted in hospital, in which type of a disease laxative is compulsory given to the patients if patients have no constipation.
No constipation. Means
Patients,
so
there
I'm
is
not
no
getting the
complication. Patient has no complication of constipations, but he is admitted in hospital. In which condition, in which type of patients, or in which type of disease the patient are suffering, and constipation is laxative is compulsory to given that type of patients.
Okay, sir. As we are suffering from the pandemic situation, most of the peoples are getting most of the drugs to reduce the to kill the coronavirus. So they are getting the high concentration, high dose of the drugs. So during I found the we did some survey about the laxative drugs. My friend is doing that survey. We found that this most of the peoples are suffering from the constipation because of the high concentration of the dose they are getting. That
No, my question
type
is
of
patient is having not complications of constipations,
okay.
but that is laxative is compulsory. Patient is admitted in hospitals for particular disease, and he or she has not problems of constipation, but laxative is compulsory, that is given to the patient. Which type of patients, which type of disease laxative is compulsory to given?
When they are getting the high dose. Sorry, sir,
No,
I'm not able.
no,
I'm not
no, 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 no.
aware of this.
Just listen. Yes, yes, just listen. The patients who having done cardiac surgeries,
Okay.
any surgery has been done, laxative is given to the patient so that he can easily pass the stool. Otherwise, if he or she given the pressure, sometimes the stitches are opens. So that's why any patients who are admitted with cardiovascular disease, if bypass surgery is done, laxative is given at that time also. Next,
Okay.
you have
Okay.
shown the pH of intestine. May I know what is the pH of intestine and stomach?
So pH of intestine is 6.4, and intestine 7.5.
No. Stomach. What is the pH of stomach?
Sir, 6.4.
No. Okay. Sir, you can also ask.
Yeah. Very, you did very extensive work. Yeah. And right from population and record. Just want to know when we
Sorry,
talk.
sir, your voice is not audible.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Now, yes.
You did
Yes,
extensive
sir.
work. You also did the manufacturing process. I just want to know
Yes, sir.
where you got this manufacturing process, whether it's your own institution or from any
Sir,
pharmaceutical industry, or
uh,
you have given
sir,
it on the, yeah.
sir, about the manufacturing process, I trained under the one production manager. With the help of them, we decided this manufacturing process by own. We did not get the manufacturing process for this. We just optimize this manufacturing process for this formula.
Okay. So, what was the minimum quantity that you used in your own procedure, your instant?
Sir, sorry, but sir, you are not audible.
What is the quantity you have used? Minimum quantity for your product formulation. Since you are telling you got
Sir,
it done in your
actually,
own institution.
no, the manufacturing process I completed in the industrial level with the 1 kg of sterculia gum. And the only analysis, some analysis part I completed at the institutional level.
Now, I would like to know, you mentioned that in your conclusion of your study, it reduces the acidity. What are the parameters you have used And what is the standard drug you have used in comparison to the reduction in acidity?
Okay, so there is only one marketed formulation is available, which is the Evacol. It is only used for the laxative purposes, and but this formulation having a side effect of acidity. So we use the antacid in this formulation to uh, give the novel to this formulation, to my formulation.
What is the model you use over here?
Which model, sir?
Parameter. Get your study parameter. Model what you have used.
Sir, for which parameters? I'm not.
You are telling no
Hello?
acidity. How you have come to a
Acidity.
conclusion? Study parameter.
Sir, I'm not getting the question. I'm not properly able to listen.
You are mentioning that change in pH range. Okay.
Yes, sir.
How that is going to correlate with the reduction of acidity of products influence the reduction of acidity.
Okay, sir. We use the pH meter to check the pH of primary. We check the pH. We use the pH meter for the checking the pH of the solution. In that, we first prepare. We take the initial pH of the formulation and the finished product of pH of the formulation, so that we found that there is a change in the pH range because of the other ingredients which is we are added into it.
Okay, right away. There relevant.
Kaveri,
Yes, sir.
this stergulia gum, what type of laxative?
It is a bulk laxative, sir.
Bulk laxative. Okay.
Yes, it
Have you
adjusts the fecal consistency.
uh-huh. Have you done any thermal stability studies?
Thermal stability study, yes, sir. We completed the 12 month of the stability study at 48 degrees Celsius.
No, that is different. Thermal stability study means either DSC or TGA.
No, sir, no, not
But
performed, sir.
for making this formulation, since we are using many of the instruments, some machine generating heat, the material is supposed to be
Yes.
withstand with the heat. No.
Case. No, sir, I did not perform DSC.
DSC either, or we can do TGA also.
No,
What
sir,
about
no,
the
sir.
what about the size of the granules? What you made the final?
Previous granule size is very large, sir. It is about 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter of granules.
Have you checked the difference of the stergulia gum particles as well as your granules? Is there any size differences?
Yes, sir, yes. When we purchased that circular gum granule, it was a very large in size. So we break that circular gum by using the turbine and reduce it as much as we can possible. Then we pass it through the 12 mesh size and 16 mesh size, and we make the 11 range between 9 to 12 mesh size, 12 size of the granules circular, which is which is which we can administer, which is compared, which is
Okay.
consumable.
Have you used any purification method that usually stergulia gum has such natural what we are getting, which may have any adherents or additive materials, which is supposed to be a substitute or which is supposed to be adulterant? Have you used any purification method? Then you subjected it formulation, or directly you have used?
Sir, actually, we purchased this material from the one Shivam Enterprises Madhya Pradesh. They provided the complete pure form of the circular gum without any adulteration. They are showing they also show the license to us, so that there is no any need to perform the purity test for the circular gum.
Whether they have
But we can perform.
okay, whether they have given the material with along with the any COA, that is certificate of analysis.
Yes, sir. Yes, certificate of analysis. They provided the certificate of analysis and the layout of that product also, or circular gum also.
Okay. Okay.
So we directly proceed for the formulation process.
Directly.
Yes,
You
sir.
never cross checked the at least minimum the solubility. In COA,
yes.
is it mentioned any solubility?
Yes, sir. We perform the
Have you cross-checked that
in-house.
solubility parameter?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Solubility parameters. We can here in figure 2, I showed the
Which
solubility of
which solvent you have
sterculia
used? Okay, which solvent you have used
normal.
to check the
Sir,
solubility?
water for
Huh?
water.
Huh?
Water.
Uh,
According to the BP specification, we perform the pre-formulation study of each ingredient, and during the process also we perform the test to check all the parameters, which is soluble identification test assay and titration process also, and then finished product also we perform according to the BP specification, and which all the results are under the limit. So
what do you perform in the titration procedure?
sir, in titration process, during the volatile acid, we perform the digestion process. So that during digestion process, whatever the solvent is prepared, that solvent is titrated for to check the volatile acid concentration.
Do you have any strong reference that gum which supposed to have volatile composition fraction?
From volatile acid composition fraction. Sir,
Usually, usually if resins which may have the volatile fractions. So in general, gums and mucilages, they are not supposed to have any volatile fraction. Just for clarification, I'm asking that do you have any literature support that Stergulia gum which have the volatile fraction?
No, sir. About literature support, there is no. But I
Do you
perform
observe
this
any?
test.
Do you observe any aroma smell that what you procured? The Stergulia gum. Have you checked any smell, aroma smell?
During the process or after finished product, sir?
During the process only we need to check it, no?
No, sir. No, sir.
Mm-hmm.
But sir, in BP specification of a sterculia gum,
Okay, see, okay,
they
BP
mention the
specification,
volatile
everything
acid.
okay. Practically, while we are handling the product, we need to check some of the organoleptic characters which is supposed to match with the COA or not. From where we are procuring certificate analysis, whatever the parameters they have mentioned, is it matching or not? Just I asked whether you checked or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
We
then.
check what about COA. We compare our results to the CO that which is given by the enterprises.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.